Hello dear students, in the last class we have seen the discrete probability distributions. So according to the definition of discrete probability distribution, if for each value of xi of a discrete random variable x, we assign a real number p of xi such that if it satisfies these two conditions. First one, probability of xi must be greater than or equal to 0 and summation of p of xi must be equal to 1. Next one is mean. Mean is given by the formula mu, which is summation of xi into p of xi. Next one is variance. It is denoted by v, given by the formula summation of xi minus mu whole square into p of xi. So using these definitions and formulae, let us solve the example. The probability distribution function of a variate x is given by the following table. The values of x are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The values of p of x are k, 3k, 5k, 7k, 9k, 11k and 13k. This represents a valid probability distribution. Also find probability of x greater than or equal to 5 and probability of x between 3 and 6. So according to the definition of a discrete probability distribution, it has to satisfy these two conditions. First one is p of x must be greater than or equal to 0 and summation of p of x must be equal to 1. Hence, we must have here k greater than or equal to 0 because this k value we have to find out. So, according to the condition, we must have k greater than or equal to 0. Then, we have to add all these values. We have to add all these values k plus 3k plus 5k plus 7k plus 9k plus 11k plus 13k and v must be equal to, it must be equated to 1 because according to the definition it is equal to 1, so it is equated to 1. So when we add all these values we get 49k equal to 1. So k equal to 1 upon 49. So we found the value of k here. This is the first question. Then we have to find the values of probability of x greater than or equal to 5 and probability of x lying between 3 and 6. Probability of x greater than or equal to 5 means we get only two values, p of 5 plus p of 6. So p of 5 is in the table, it is 11k and p of 6 is 13k. So when we add we get 24k. Substitute the value of k here, it is 1 upon 49. So answer is 24 upon 49. Similarly, the second one, probability of x lying between 3 and 6. Strictly it is less than x, so 3 will not come, only the values 4, 5, 6 will come. So probability of 4 plus probability of 5 plus probability of 6. So its values are 9k plus 11k plus 13k. So 33k, substitute the value of k here, which is 1 upon 49. So answer is 33 upon 49. X. Next example. A fair coin is tossed 3 times. Let x denote the number of heads showing up. Find the probability distribution of x. Also find its mean variance. So when a fair coin is tossed 3 times, so the number of possible outcomes we get as HHH, HHT, HTH, TTT, TTH, THT, THH, HTT. So total we get 8 possible outcomes in a sample space S. So here x denotes the number of heads showing up. So here 3 heads are there, so its value is 3. two heads, here also two heads. Actually there are two heads only here, but it is not repeated, so its value is only one time. We have to consider it is 2. Then T means no heads here, so its value is 0, only one possible outcome. Then getting only one head, this is one head, and this is also one head, so we get here 1. Or same can be written as x equal to 0, 1, 2, 3. Now probability of x equal to 0. So probability of x equal to 0 means only one possible outcome is there, that is TTT. So it is 1 divided by 8. Probability of x equal to 1 means getting only one head. So one head means this is one possible outcome, and this is one possible outcome, and this is one possible outcome. So totally 3 are there. So its value is 3 by 8. Next, probability of x equal to 2. 2 means getting two heads. So here 1, and this is second one, and this is third one. So totally 3 are there. So its value is also 3 by 8. Then probability of x equal to 3 means getting all 3 heads. So here only one possible outcome is there. So its value is 1 divided by 8. So we know all the values of x values are 0, 1, 2, 3, and their probability values we are knowing. So we have to construct the table here. So in this table the values of x are 0, 1, 2, 3, and p of x values are 1 by 8, 3 by 8, 3 by 8, 1 by 8. Next we have to calculate the value of mean. Mean is given by mu. Formula is summation of xi into p of xi. So first value is here 0. 0 into 1 by 8, it is 0. Plus 1 into 3 by 8, it is 3 by 8. Plus 2 into 3 by 8, plus 3 into 1 by 8. So its value is mu equal to 1.5. Next, variance equal to, it is given with the formula summation of xi minus mu whole square into p of xi. So first value of xi is here 0. 0 minus mu value is 1.5 whole square into 1 upon 8. Plus second value 1 minus mu value is 1.5 whole square into 3 by 8. Plus third value is here 2. 2 minus 1.5 whole square into 3 by 8. Plus 3 minus 1.5 whole square into 1 upon 8. So when we calculate this, answer we get variance equal to 0.75.